we have studied about renewable and non-renewable resources. It is very clear that non-renewable resources cannot be regained again and again. So it is very necessary that we should use these resources very carefully, because they are surely going to exhaust one day. Like fossil fuels, coal, petroleum, natural gas, we are not going to get it again. So these have to be preserved, or they have to be used in lesser quantity. So one of the concept is resource conservation. Resource conservation means using the resources carefully and saving it for future use, and using it in such a way that they will again be replenished. So resource conservation is necessary. Even those resources which are renewable may also face some danger in the coming years. Like water is a renewable resource, but if we continuously use the groundwater and pollute the water, it will be very difficult to renew it. So even the renewable resources can be in danger in the future. So we should use the resources very carefully. Now what is sustainable development? Of course we are developing now, and this development has to be sustained in future. We want the future generation also to develop. And if you use all the resources in this generation, there will be nothing left for the future generation. And if we want to preserve it for future generation, the development should be such that it fulfills the need of present generation also, and we save it for future generation also, and the environment is also not polluted because of using these resources. Example, when we are using fossil fuels, it will exhaust, the future generation will not be able to use it, and these are exhausting the environment also. This is polluting the environment also. So for that we should use the resources in such a way that they should be preserved for future. We should use in less quantity, and we should find some other alternative for these resources. If vehicles are run through petrol or diesel, then we have to try to run it through some renewable source of energy like solar energy or something. So in this way we will preserve the resources for future generation also, and sustainable development will also occur. So this chapter basically deals with resources, definition of resources, its utility, value, different types of resources, natural resources, human-made resources, human resource, and conservation of resources. So we as responsible citizens should try to conserve the resources. We should not waste water, we should not waste electricity, we should switch off the lights and fans when not in use. We should not use, we should not leave the taps open and waste the water, because these things are required in future also. Now the question answers of this chapter I have already given you. So you please go through those question answers, learn it, and go through this video and learn all these concepts.